Because there actually are a couple of features that are really game changers. Here's the big one. There's this new thing called flex objects or flex containers.
Flex layout.
Containers. Flex layout. Mm-hmm. But what you're doing is you're creating flex containers.
Right.
If you have a bunch of objects on a page that have some relationship, like they're a list, you can put them all in a flex layout and they'll flow like a list, like they'll flow from the top to the bottom or left to the right. So a flex container, a flex layout container is a way to put objects that have a relationship with each other into a rectangle that you can change. And when you change the rectangle, all of those objects reflow within the rectangle.
That's right. They don't resize. The panel lets you specify how they should be arranged. The spacing, the vertical, the horizontal spacing, if something is aligned left or right or top or bottom.
I think that this is going to be one of the most important features in InDesign before too long. It's what's coming out right now, I will say, is a V1. It's a version 1 of this feature. But over time, I think they could really build it out to be very, very powerful. Let's say you have a catalog, and on a page you have 30 different objects, like maybe it's a picture and a description. You could put all of those, you group them and put them all inside a flex container. And the way you do that is you just select everything, and there's a button in the properties panel or in the flex layout.
Or in the flex layout panel.
You just click the button. Yeah, and it just, pop, they're all in. So it's very, very easy and fast to put all of these different objects inside of a flex rectangle container thing.
That's right.
Once they're in there, you have controls over how do you want to stack them, flow them, organize them really very quickly. So let's say you've got all these objects on your page inside of a flex container, and you're doing this catalog page, and you say, oh, yeah, but I really wish they were all reflowed with a flex layout, a flex container. You simply grab it and you drag it, and boop, everything reflows. Really, really efficient.
It is cool.
Very fast. The whole point of page layout, in my opinion, is to control the relationship among all the objects on your page. Flex containers is a step in that direction.